Hello everyone, this is AI Study Coach. What you are seeing is a React frontend served by Nginx on one Cloud Run service talking to a Flask backend on another service, making four different types of API calls to Gemini 2.5 Flash. Both services scale from zero instance. Let me show how it is built. There are two independent Cloud Run services. The frontend service is built with React and Vite. It is a multi-stage Docker build with an Nginx web server. 512 megabytes of RAM and 1 CPU. It serves static files, manages quick state entirely in the browsers using local storage. Completely stateless. The backend services runs Python Flask application. It contains 2 gigabytes of RAM and 2 CPU for AI workload. There are 5 REST endpoints, all hitting Gemini through AI Studio API. Both front end and back end auto scales on the demand. Now let me show you Gemini integration. We have developed four specialized prompts, all engineered and tested in AI Studio before going to production. This is a quiz generator prompt. It takes raw text and configuration, output a structured JSON with questions, answers, options, and explanations. Here is a system prompt. Now let's look at subjective evaluator prompt. It compares students' answer against the correct answers. Few shots of example here. There is also a prompt for story generation and overall feedback generation for the performance analysis. All the four prompts are saved with shareable links for full transparency. The backend call these via Gemini 2.5 Flash API. See the API flow in the action. I will start a new quiz. Let's say photosynthesis. Configure 5 questions, medium difficulty, and no timer. Watch the network tab. You can see a post request being made to backend cloud service, and here we get the response. The JSON get parsed and stored in local storage. Now let's do the quiz. Select an answer, true or false, a quick one, fill in the blank. Here is a short answer question. I will type a simple answer. Now submit the quiz. As you can see, Gemini analyzed my subjective answer, identified what I got right and what I missed. We also have a bookmark page where I can save good quality questions for later review. So that's AI Study Coach. Two independent cloud run services scaling from zero instance, four specialized prompt with JSON schema enforcement, completely stateless architecture using client-side storage. Built for Google's Cloud Run Hackathon. Thanks for watching.